For our credit report tip of the day, rebuilding credit and getting out from under debt isn't just a financial task. It's a fight for your freedom. It's the daily decision to face what feels overwhelming. The late payments, the high interest, the calls, the fatigue. It's staring at your statements, making a plan, and choosing action over avoidance. For many professionals rebuilding from setbacks, this process can feel slow and punishing. But every on-time payment, every reduced balance, every call you make to negotiate your terms is a win. The climb back to financial confidence starts the moment you stop freezing and start moving, one deliberate action at a time.